Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today we're going to explore two medications that help us fight urinary tract infections: nalidixic acid and phenazopyridine. Let's learn how to use them safely. Nalidixic acid is an antibiotic, which means it attacks the bacteria that cause the infection. It's used when other antibiotics don't work as well. Phenazopyridine, on the other hand, doesn't get rid of the infection, but it relieves the pain, burning sensation, and constant urge to urinate that the infection causes. So how do they work? Nalidixic acid prevents the bacteria from multiplying, stopping the infection. Phenazopyridine, meanwhile, works directly on the urinary tract, relieving those annoying symptoms. Let's talk dosage. For nalidixic acid, the starting dose is usually 1 gram every 6 hours for a week. Then, if the infection isn't completely gone, it can be lowered to 500 milligrams every 6 hours. Phenazopyridine is taken as 200 milligrams 3 times a day, after meals, for a maximum of 2 days. Watch out for side effects. Nalidixic acid can cause nausea, vomiting, and in rare cases, severe allergic reactions. Phenazopyridine can turn your urine red. Don't be scared, it's normal. It can also cause headaches or an upset stomach. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact your doctor. To sum it up, nalidixic acid and phenazopyridine are great allies if used correctly. Always follow your doctor's instructions and pay attention to any side effects. Take care of your health and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.